Let me hear it. Hawaii ponoi, nanai komoi, nanai ani, te ai, every day. When you ask us for Pearl Harbor, this is what we say. Kū Kanaka, Kū Kanaka, cha. Kū Kanaka, Kū Kanaka, cha. Can you live it? No, no, que kuleana. You wanna hear more? In English, olelo. Olelo. He kanaka ka ko. He kanaka Amerika. Aole. He Pelekania. Aole. He Wakanda. He kanaka. Then sing it with me. Kū Kanaka. He kanaka. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Hana kapo kapo, pono. Hana kapo kapo. That's not loud enough. Hana kapo kapo, pono. Hana kapo kapo, pono. Hana mika, ike ao. Lama lama oh yeah. You sing it. Ikea. Lama lama oh yeah. Lama lama. Ah. Do you mean me? M-A-L-A. Oh, what did you say? D-K. My quality. What did you say? DJ! That's great to hear it again! DJ! Kebine na haole, haole kanona, uwai kamea ola. Kū Kanaka, Kū Kanaka, Ai na maki maki wa Amerika I ura. He kumuku ai ui ke la vai ava. And speaking about the bitter water here, he's my sister to sing about the bitter waters of love.
mai nei watangi he au mai oe a koa e a e no o kalo manoa hai o lelo no he a nei na kuhina nui a he a hui koloma e oni a e ka iluna e like mahalo nui. Not everyone knows why we're here. It is to show our ailing king that his people are in support of him and urging him to recover and lead us once more.
Wow, isn't she amazing?
Ole ibililia kahibaya o ale kuki wa o Hawaii uka noho mai lai uanu. Let's hear it for Kalākaua, my brother. Come on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa! E kali ana I ila ila, ai no kaha ua haa, kohu mahana ui alei. So I'm no you, but
I don't know. What do you guys think? You think I can beat him? I-o, ia-ne, ia-o. Kabina o ma'e-ma'e. He ala o nanako. Kaihiki mai ia-ne'i.
okay, we get it. You're good.
All right, let's
All right.
read that,
I'm
brother.
not that
Come on,
good.
let's see it. Let's go.
Ua mau e ia ino, Kamuia o kouleo, Kaumuia o kamanao, Kahiwahi o kapena.
Amazing, guys. Come on, let's make some noise for Kalākaua. But now here I go. Pania pa'aia mai. Nana waio uka. Baluna e noau. Mana guili.
Okay, you're too good now. Stop, please.
Too good. All right. Come on, let's hear it.
Mabahua umamala, au mahi nei e hu, ulu au I ka huna kai, kai he a I ka ili. Okay, let's end this. Who wants to hear us sing together? O kahi no koa nui,
Nana e aloi
Ino ino mai nei luna, I ka haua ka makani. Oh, it's not bad for practicing 10 minutes before this, right? E kilohi au I ka na I hele kane,
Hawaii ko
nui,
Lea ole I Manao. Okay, let's hear it, guys. Let's hear some noise. Let's see Emma do something like that.
Bring it home.
E kilohi au I ka nani, na bua o mga
Nala, haina mai ka puana,
kahibaya o alei koti.
Can we have a hand?
E Kalākaua ua pimei ku, he's white and blue, not a
I am the Revive Hawaii, you know all be screwed. Married to a Maoli, Piati Koko. The day of battle is just about to dawn. And if you want that Julio to happen somehow, just like in Nahine, well, you know what they say.